Anyway, so that's when I smacked the cigarette out of his hand like, get that thing away from me. You know I don't play that. You feel me? Fit the burger, man. Hot dog. We got the kids and stuff like that. Oh man, I'm so sorry. Seriously, man, you just made me crack my new phone.
Bro, it's okay. Take it to Loose Mobile, get it fixed.
Loose Mobile? P-Mobile. P-Mobile?
Yo, I heard Splint pretty good. Horizon?
Hey, Tyrone, you can't just be hitting people like that, man.
Hey, mister, my dad goes to Silly Wireless.
Hey, what's going on here?
I got a parcel for it. Why does he hit so hard?
Street Wireless. The only phone store Tyrone goes.
What you doing, man?
Can't park.
Street Wireless is the only phone store I go to.